What if we just create a horror scenario scene?
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah, let's do it. You're trying
What
to
are you
think of
gonna
like
do?
what would be really scary
Yeah.
sounds,
Let me think
right?
about it.
Okay.
Maybe like there's a cabin in the forest. What would you do?
Oh, I like where you're going there. Let's see. Okay, if we started out with a cabin in the forest, maybe I would walk through some leaves outside, that kind of crunchy leaf that we showed before. And then let me get my partner and see if he's got some ideas too. Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
Can you bring the chamois?
Okay. I brought this too because we might need this one.
Okay,
Hey,
great.
Grace.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Wow. What is it for?
So this is a wet chamois that we use. We'll use this along with the celery. So it gives it that wetness. And so when you have the crunch and the creak and the crack, it sort of all works together like gushy blood.
Yeah.
So somebody's arm's getting crunched, you hear the tendons and everything.
So let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna walk up onto the cabin floor, which is our surface right here, and Chris is gonna do a creak along with me. So anything creaky sounds just scary. Exactly. Let's go to the dirt pit and see what we can do. Imagine maybe some leaves
Okay.
and some gravel. Let me set that up here. So. Maybe they're a little hesitant because they don't know what's up there. And then maybe they get to a creaky gate, an old creaky gate. That's awesome. And then what do you think, Chris? Maybe.
Walking in onto the creaky floor.
Sure.
If you want to do the walk, I'll do the creak.
Perfect. Okay.
And then
Goosebumps.
maybe it's dark inside, and all of a sudden we hear there's a knife.
Oh.
His arm just got taken off. Uh-oh. And then maybe they fall to the ground,
Exactly. Maybe a big body fall.
which we have to move somewhere else to do that.
Do that.
Wow, that's incredible. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow,